That's me. Stop. Hold up. BMG.
Hey everybody, it's Benji, better known as Moiciara, and I want to get into something y'all probably didn't expect. So, as you guys know, I love Life. Bethany, y'all know Life. I love her down, and y'all know she has changed her life. She's been eating vegan style, vegan meals. She's kind of like completely did like a whole 360 as far as what she eat and stuff like that. So today, in support of my girl, cause y'all know, like I'm just like, I ain't never had no vegan meal before. So I decided, see, I got a little natural bun, got a little green shirt on, just to kind of give the aesthetic some realness. So boom, there's this place called Stand Up Burger here in Chicago that I decided to go to, and I'm gonna tell you guys what I got. I got the I think it's called hold on one second. It's the Stand Up Burger. Two times this burger was $15.68 plus tax, so it better be good because I ain't never had no vegan burger before. Boom, and then I got their what is this? Their golden fries, I believe that's what they're called. Let me see. Yeah, they're golden fries. And I got a mocha vegan shake. And I got some water on the side too, just because I don't know how all it's going to taste. Mouth is watering. I'm hungry. So let's see what all this is about. And oh yeah, they special sauce or whatever you call this on the side. Let me see what this called, just to kind of make sure I'm giving y'all all the tea. Butter sauce. I don't see the name of the sauce, but some sauce. It's their secret sauce. But anyway, so we're about to get in and see what this is giving. First, we're gonna take a bite of this burger. See, look at this, y'all. Y'all probably can see really good. It looked like it might be good. Let's see what it's giving. Mmm. Mmm. Okay. Okay. Mm-hmm. The burgers come with lettuce, tomato, onions, 2 patties. We gonna call it like a double cheeseburger. Okay, it's not too bad. Mmm. Just giving very mac sauce teas. I'm gonna post a clip of the restaurant. Here in Chicago, it's on Clark and Diversity on the north side of Chicago. So if you're vegan, this tastes like a little bit of horseradish sauce, cayenne pepper, zesty tomato, zesty something. I'm sorry. But the fries is good though. The fries is good. Mmm. Mm-mm-mm. I don't know if that's vegan cheese. Let me look and see. I'm like, I got stuff outside of my mouth. You see what this burger's giving. Okay. Let's see. Because it won't let me go. Special sauce on the brioche bun. Yeah, I say cheddar. But yeah, it's cute though. Like no shade. It's not bad. It's something I could eat, but it's something I eat all the time. Probably not, because I know the taste of. Real beef. Mm. 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 But it does sound you like Burger King vibes, like a flame broiled burger. I like it. Mm. I don't know if these regular potato cut fries, because I'm guessing they are. I spent almost $30 on this meal. I guess which ain't bad, you know. For a vegan meal, but like I said, y'all, I've been watching Bloveslife so much. I'm going through this transformation. So I was like, let me try a vegan meal out. Because she was talking about her and Nate. They were inspired by Fat, Sick, and Nearly Dead by Joe. I can't think of his last name. But I watched that. And I remember after watching that, I wanted to get into drinking the green juice. And I remember I had saved it. I was going to make it at home and stuff. Because he was overweight, out of shape, and he was taking a lot of medicine. And, you know, he wanted to do something different. Now, from what we all know, Beloved and Nate, or Beloved more likely because, you know, her health has been pretty well. Nate recently spoke on his health and stuff like that. And, you know, he was talking about how he hasn't seen the numbers, like the results, since, like, he was in his teenage years. Because he was doing the juicing for, I think, 90 days? No, 60 days. What? Am I going to become vegan? No. Can I try it out? Yes. So, it's all right. I support those who have been inspired by a different, an alternative eating lifestyle. What I will say, that's the key thing about like being an adult. Don't be scared to try nothing new. Because you never know. That one thing that you try to might be new, might be the thing that you actually like gravitate to and might really start doing. That's why I was like, let me just give it, because I'm so tired of hearing her talk about being a vegan in these videos. I'm like, mm. So, like, hey, let me try it. Mmm. It's good one. Mmm. What I noticed the difference about this burger is that if it was real meat, I would feel way more heavier, like congestion wise, and I don't feel that with that, which is surprising, but I'm here for it. Mm. I don't know what they did to these fries, style. These say like them fresh cut fries, you know, from like what, your mom and pop restaurant or something like that, in a little neighborhood spot. In the hood. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm. I'm gonna have to go back. They also have like, you know, other things as well, like chili dogs, chili cheeseburger, chicken sandwiches. I'm gonna try a chicken sandwich. I'm gonna get that next time. Tex-Mex burger, um, steakhouse burger, you know, salads, chili cheese fries, um, like buffalo crispy buffalo cauliflower, like, and all this other stuff. So, right, we're gonna see. I don't know exactly how long that restaurant has been at that particular location, because it used to be, I believe, it used to be an Ulta over there in that particular neighborhood up here. But yes, okay. So now we're gonna get into the mocha shake. It say eat like you give a shake on both sides. Cute. Let's see what her. Excuse me. Was giving. This a vegan shake, child. Mmm. I don't know what they put in this, but I don't know. It's good though. Let me look on this damn thing and see. Cause baby, um, mm, damn. Now I have no details on the shake. Fuck. But y'all, this right here, I love a good shake. And I don't know, it's rich. You know, like when you think of vegan, you think of something extremely purified and maybe chalky and thick, and I don't know, but this ain't that. Mm. Okay. And I got some water over here. I thought I was gonna drink the damn water. I don't even need water now. Okay, y'all. That was good. Like, that was really good. Way better than what I thought. I thought it was gonna be like, like I said, I could tell the difference from a real burger over what I ate. The fries, like, absolutely 10 out of 10. I would give the burger probably like a 8 out of 10. I'm not gonna play them out like that. I'll say 8 out of 10. This shake, 10 out of 10, period, baby. I will get that just because. And once again, you guys, the place is called Stand Up Burger. Here in Chicago, just in case y'all ever wanted to try a vegan spot, up here up north. If you stay on the north side over here by me, well, I stay on the north side. But yes, all in all, very satisfying meal. And what I love, like I just said, is that I don't feel so heavy after eating this. Like, normally, I'd be ready to crawl up under the sheets and call it a night. But this is really good, though. But okay, y'all. Until next time, thank y'all for watching. Please make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, share this video with anyone, everyone. I appreciate all the love, all the support. Let's keep supporting. And until next time, y'all.